Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. And then this is search icon. Enter the model number of graphic card. Purpose RTX 4060 Ti AERO OC 8G and then hit enter. After that your graphic card search on this website and then click on the product and then click on the product name of the title. Then click on support. Click on the select your operating system Windows 10 and 11, so both operating system installation process same. So this is NVIDIA driver and this is version, this is size, and always download latest one, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. You can see it will take some time, 4 to 5 minutes, and depend about your internet. Okay, after that corner 3 dot, click on it and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed, then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next license options, and here to step finished, and after that also completed driver, then restart your system.